guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mabellino Herbag. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovelies, in this video, as you can see in the title, oh my goodness, it's an Hermes unboxing. Actually, I've unboxed it already. Like when I brought it home, I couldn't really wait to see and pair it up with what I've got in my closet this summer. And yeah, so, and also I'm going to be showing you guys what fits in as well. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. And yeah, so this beautiful bust here, like if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the day I purchased this item, like I posted it on Instagram, like the video, the footage when I was coming out of the store. And yes, so I made a mistake that I didn't really save it. So yeah, so I've been looking for the video, but I can't find it. But nevertheless, I also did a video when I was unboxing it, which I'm going to show you guys as well. So let's get started. The vitamin C box, so with this Hermes stamp, and when you open it, so you have the purchase in here. And yes, so you really need to keep this very well. And yes, back in them. And yeah, so I'm still waiting. Who can guess this beautiful big box? I really was so happy to have this, or to be able to get this, because I was looking for a very practical bag for summer. For me, I think it's very practical. And so like if you're going to holiday, so I think this is also a very practical bag that you can take with if you don't want to carry the order of your expensive bags. And I think this is my own opinion, so it's not everyone that like this, but it's my own opinion. So let's just get into how it comes with this dust bag, and this is the carton inside, and it comes with this pillowcase, this paper pillowcase, and also a booklet, a care instruction booklet. And yes, so so I think, as you can see from the size, you can even guess already what the kind of Hermes bag that this is. And yes, so I love this Hermes dust bag so much, with this H signature that stands for Hermes. And yes, so holding it like this, like you guys know already, any Hermes bag that you're gonna hold like this single-handedly like this, I think just takes you to a Kelly bag or a hair bag. Yeah, hair bag. Ooh. Yo, so I got this beautiful stunning piece, this beautiful hair bag, Hermes Herbag Zip 31. That is the name they call this hair bag, Hermes Herbag Zip 31. So in this beautiful color, which I call this color cognac color, nature. Hermes call it nature, and another French name again, which I'm gonna write down. And yes, like you can see, you guys know I love neutral colors, and pairing this with neutrals, oh my goodness, so stunning, and with the silver detailing hardware, oh my goodness. So it has this shoulder strap, so which this shoulder strap, like, you can remove it if you want to, and even the bag is also reversible, like you can turn it, like I'm going to be showing you guys, but I'm not ready to open it and turn it, so it's kind of, oh, I don't like building together, so it will be difficult, but I will show you how you can turn it. And yes, so it has this beautiful stunning shoulder strap which you can remove if you don't feel like carrying it with a shoulder strap, and you can just leave it and just carry it this way. I think it's not bad. And it also have this beautiful stunning pouch at the back, or the zip bag at the back. The metal, it has this Hermes detailing at the both side as well, and oh my goodness. So here, I need to get up. So here by this side you can see the Hermes stamp on it, Hermes Paris, made in France. So you can, so let's open it, and you just take this out, and you take this out as well, and then open it. And yes, so this is the inside, the back of the leather, and this is the inside of the bag. So it has this yes, so this is the inside, and on the inside it has this pouch. So it has this side zip bag, and then on the inside it has this beautiful stunning pouch on the inside, which is also very big and contain a lot of stuff. So this is the inside. So this is my new beautiful stunning summer bag. Like, when you have the Hermes or Kelly, which I don't have, and like when you have those and you are going on a holiday and you don't feel like taking those expensive Hermes or Kelly along with you, so I think, so this is just the other alternative that you can take along with for your holiday, for your weekend. Or actually on the inside, like, you can remove it, like you need to open, like if you want to remove it, like you need to screw here out, you need to open it, and then you just remove everything, and you remove the strap as well. So you remove the strap as well, and then you fold, and then you turn the bag on the inside out, and then you just have a kind of another shape of hairbag style. So you just have the other shape as well. And yes, so let's do what fits in, and let's see what really fits in this beautiful stunning. So I have my Louis Vuitton toiletry 26, and which I have, if I'm going to be carrying this bag like today or anytime when I'm using the bag. So because I don't have a bag organizer, so that's why I'm using my Louis Vuitton toiletry bag. And yes, so what I've got in here is, let me show you. So this is a bunch of all I've got in here. And yes, so I've got my sunglass. Actually this is a Dior box, but I've got this beautiful stunning Louis Vuitton sunglass inside, because I don't know where I kept the box. So this beautiful stunning sunglass from Louis Vuitton, and so I just put it into the Dior sunglass box and bag. So I have here, and then I have my wet wipes. So I always take wet wipes along with, because of the kids, 4 years and 2.5 years, so daughter. So, and then I've got soccer, like my younger daughter, so she's still using a soccer, the 2.5 year, and so she has one with her, and I always have one extra in the bag, so should in case. And then I've got my Chanel, so I haven't really, this is a new purchase as well, and I haven't really done a video, so I still have the fur so on it, and yes, so I've got my cards inside, and yeah, so, and then my second card holder to clean my hand, so this, and then I have my hand cream, and then I have my lipstick, this lipstick I'm wearing. And then I have my hair pod, and that's it. That's all I have here, and yeah, so put it in and it fits in perfectly, like look at it, perfect, like even the tone is also, they match very well together as well. So this is the key. It comes in this pouch as well, and yes, so the key is inside here. You just need to draw it out. You need to draw it out. So this is the key, and each key have the same number with the lock. So this is the perfect key that is going to open it. Like if you're trying to open it with any other key, it's not gonna work. So this is it, and yeah, so like I said earlier on, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this key properly. You just put it at the back here, and you lock it. And then you bring this here to the front side, and you have it. So if you like, I think this is the best way for you to store or just put the lock there to be safe. But most people also, they don't use that back side, like to just put everything in here, the lock and the key as well. But I think this is the main place that suits very perfectly, because if you're gonna be putting the lock like this, and the lock is gonna hang here, and I think it's gonna scratch or just put some marks on this beautiful stunning leather. And one thing I really love about this bag is my SA told me that if in case there is any stain or any complaint, like there is a stain, anytime, any day, like I can bring it back to them, and they're gonna send it back to Hermes store in Paris, and then they will do a total cleaning of it and then send it back, and then I'm gonna have it as if it's a new bag again. So I really love that service very well. Like when using it now, I will be free, like I'm still gonna take, even I told her, I said, no, when there is any stain, I just need to use a wet wipe to like clean it, but I won't touch the leather. And she said, no, don't use anything, just leave it. I no longer feel comfortable with the stain, so I can bring it back to them, and then they're gonna send it to Hermes store in Paris, and then just have it clean and send it back to me. And yeah, so that's really good. So I'm not gonna touch it, no matter what the stain is. I'm gonna leave it, and I don't think I will be able to make that huge stain that I can't really handle, or that I can't really like to use the bag again. So unless my kids, but they are also very good. And yes, so this is the use. So this is the beautiful, stunning bag. And oh my goodness, whoa, I just forgot to show you guys this beautiful shirt from Loewe that I'm wearing. Like, oh my god, this oversized shirt from Loewe. Like, when I got this bag, so I think I got this oversized shirt first before I even got this bag, and I was like, wow, what a perfect match. Like, oh my goodness. So this is so beautiful. So I will be standing up carrying the bag so you guys can see my outfits more, and also the way the bag fits me, and the length as well. So I'm 1.67 meters, and yeah, so let's see how it fits.
I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you.